pretty much Memorial Day weekend 2023, Surf City, North Carolina, and it is pretty miserable. I think there's a lot of tropical storms or whatever, gale force winds later, pretty much all weekend, but we're still going to try to go and do some surf fishing, maybe some dock fishing. Gonna have to rough it out. Test out this little Evolution fishing bag. I got Cabela's. Let's see, so in case I start walking the beach, we'll put this in here for now. It's more for fresh water fishing. This, I made a couple pre-rigs. Put that in there just in case. These will leave. Put these in there just. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reels or 6 rigs. That should be enough. Put this here. Slide these in there. Bag for this. Okay. Beads. Some leader. I'll bring the leader just in case. These. I'll bring one of these just in case. I think the rest and the hooks. Right, we'll put them in different. Knife. I just have some like floaters, swim baits, a spoon, some DOA or voodoo shrimps. I think one is DOA. And some little float, like little square bills. Put that there. I'm not gonna bring that. I'm not gonna flounder fish. Bring some of these weights. And we'll bring our fish bites. We have multiple flavors: bloodworms, sand fleas, and shrimp. Put them there. I think that's it. We're just gonna need a bag for that guy. There's stuff we'll put in here. We'll bring a rag. And let's see if I have another bag for that other rig. And I do. Okay. Frozen shrimp, and I'm going to use some fish bites. I have some cut up already. It's so windy though, so I got to keep everything secured. Tip these off. Some fish bite. Since the shrimp probably gonna fall off. It's frozen. I have different flavors. I have shrimp fish bites, and I have bloodworms and these sand flea ones. I gotta film this shrimp's not gonna stay on no matter what. That's gonna come off probably. Sometimes people tie it on with floss. So I like to tip them with some fish bites. I have something on there. Alright, so we're gonna throw the big rod out first. This is the pen. I think it's a 10-foot or 11-foot. And it's paired up with a Daiwa BG 8000 with 50-pound braid, and the leader is 30 pound. So obviously I'm not going to be, I have a 5-ounce weight. Obviously I'm not going to be casting it too far with this, because it's pretty miserable. throw it out a little bit here, see if we can get something. Water's actually pretty warm. Put this guy here. Let this one sit. The other one I might do a little action fishing with, just put some lures on maybe. Alright, let's see which way the current's pulling. It's pulling to the right here. I don't want to get my lines tangled up. I got the other spike down, you know, like 20 yards or so. Alright, so let's let this sit for a little bit. So I'm setting up the other rig. So I make my own rigs here. I put little floats and little beads on them. And I just do like a little surgeon knot on the bottom here. Feed the weight through. Just like that. It's like a monsoon. Well, not raining, but it's windy. Oh, I might have a fish on that. Just let us back out.